Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? All of you fine? Today. Look at the board, all of you. Today, 28th January 2022. Today is Friday. Friday spell now Friday. Friday. Listen one more time. Friday. Friday. Today which subject? Take out your second term book. Page number. Look at the page number 3434. 3434. Write the letters that comes before the given letter. Before, after and between letters. Okay? Take the first part. Which subject today? Maths. M-A-T-H-S. Maths. M-A-T-H-S. Maths. Today we learn about before letters. Before spell B-E-F-O-R-E. Before letters. Now next one. After letters. A-F-T-R. After letters. Now next. Between letters. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between letters. Okay? First of all, take the A to Z letters. A, look here all of you. A, B, A after letter B, B after letter C, C after letter D, D after letter E, E after letter F, F after letter G. Look at the letters A to G letters. G before letter F, E before letter D, C before letter B, B before letter A. Look at the letters all of you. A and C between letter B. A and C between letter is B. Carefully look at the letters and fill the boxes. Okay? Fill the box. Look here all of you. First letter is, what is the letter? D. Write the letters that comes before letter. You write now. Take the before letter. Look here all of you. D letter. Here now na. Look here all of you. First letter is D. D before letter. You write the D before letter. Look at the empty box. Look here all of you. D before letter you write now. Fill the D before letter. D before letter देखो. A to Z letters है ना. Before letter कौन सा letter आ रहा है इधर? C. You write the D before letter. C. D कन्ना मुंडू letter ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? C. రాయండి ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? D before letter you write the fill the C letter. Okay. Now next letter is B. B. B before letter. B before letter. B before letter you fill the box, empty box. You fill the empty box. B before letter. Look at all of you. A to Z letters. B before letter. कौन सा है इधर? A. A. You write the A letter. B before letter. A now na. You write fill the A letter. Okay. Fill the A letter. Now next letter is C. Next letter is C. Look at the C letter. C before letter. What the C before letter? Look here all of you. C before letter. Look there all of you. C before letter. कौन सा letter है? C before letter. C का ना मुंडू letter A मुंडी कड़ा. B. You write the B. C before letter. You write B. Now next letter is E. Look here all of you. E letter. Carefully look at the before letters you fill the boxes, empty boxes, okay? E before letter. Look there all of you. A to Z letters. E before letter. What's the letter are A? D. You write the D letter. You write D. Now next letter is F. F. F before letter. What comes? F before letter. Look here all of you. A to Z letters. F before letter. What's the ఏముంది F before letter E. You write the fill the E letter. What comes F before letter? You fill the E. E. Now next letter is G. Look at the Z letter. What comes G before letter? G before letter. Look here all of you. G before letter कौन सा है देखो इधर. फर्स्ट लाइन में पूरा लेटर दे दिया ना A to Z तक. बिफोर लेटर G before letter क्या है इधर? F. G before letter you write the F. F. G before letter F. Write the letters come before the given letters. Fill the empty box all of you. D before letter. Look one more time. D before letter C. B before letter A. C before letter B. E before letter D. F before letter E. G before letter yeah. Okay. Before letter is complete now. Now next after letter. Look at the after letter. Look here all of you. Second bit. Look here all of you. Write the after letters. Write the after letters. Look here all of you. First box is E. E after letter. Empty box now. You fill the correct. Look at the letter sign. Fill the correct letter. Okay. Look here after letter. E after letter. Tell me. E after letter. कौन सा letter आता है? E after letter. E after letter क्या है इधर? E after letter ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? Yeah. You write the F letter. Okay. You fill the F letter. Now next one C. C after letter. C after letter. What letter is come C after letter? C after letter. Look here C after letter कौन सा है इधर? Look there all of you. C after letter D. You fill the D letter. C D. Correct. Write the letter. Okay. Now next one D. Look at the letter and write the empty box. Okay. Look here all of you. D after letter. Look there. First line. D after letter कौन सा है इधर? E. D after letter E. D after which letter is? Which letter is this? E. You write the E letter. D after letter is E. Complete the empty box. Okay. You write correct letter is empty box. Now next letter is A. Now next letter is A. A after letter. Look here all of you. Empty box. Fill the empty box. A after letter कौन सा है इधर? B. A after letter ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? B. A after letter you write the B. B. Look here all of you. F after letter. Look there all of you. F after letter कौन सा है इधर? F after letter. Which letter is? F after which letter is this? G. You write the G letter. You write the G letter. Okay. Now next letter is B. B. B after letter. Look at the empty box. Fill the correct letter. B after letter. Look here all of you. B after letter. कौन सा letter आ रहा है इधर? C. B after letter ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? C. You write the C. Okay. For second bit is look at the letter sign. Fill the empty box. E after letter F. C after letter D. D after letter E. A after letter B. B after letter G. G after letter F after letter G. B after letter C. Now next bit is third bit. Look here all of you. Write the letters that comes between the given letters. You fill the empty box. B and look here all of you. B and D letters. B and D letters Nona. Which letter is missing here? Which letter is missing here? B and C. Look here all of you. B and C. Sorry. B and D. B and D. Which letter is missing here? You fill the C letter, okay? You fill the C letter, okay? Now next, A and C. A and C. Look here all of you. A and C. Which letter is missing here? Which letter is missing here? You write the B letter. Which letter is missing here? You fill the B letter, okay? You fill the B letter. Now next, D and F. D and F. Which letter is missing here? Look at the line. Carefully look at the letter. Fill the letter, okay? Look here all of you. D and F letter. D and F letter. Here now, na. Which letter is missing here? E letter. You fill the E letter, okay? You fill the E letter. Now next one, C and E. C and E. C and E. C and E letter here now, na. Now which letter is missing here? Which letter is missing here? C and E before letter. E and E before letter. You fill the D. You fill the D, okay? You fill the D. Now next letter is E and G. E and G. Look here all of you. E and G letters here now, na. Which letter is missing here? Look at the letters. E and G letter. Here now, na. Which letter is missing here? E and G between letter. E and G between letter. Yeah. You fill the F letter, okay? You fill the F letter. Now look at the between letters. You fill the empty box. B and D before letter C you write now. A and C before letter B write now. D and F between letter E write now. E. C and E between letter D right now. E and G between letter F you write now. First of all, take out your second term book 3434 page number. Fill the exercise. Look at the empty box. Fill. First bit is before letter. Second bit is after letter. Third bit is between letter. Okay. So this is your homework. Thank you.